Where's Pastor K? Pastor K, how you doing? No be small thing. Since yesterday, no sir, I had a drink. The man wey my wife take dey do example for me, don't go give him my belle for answer. No more example. No clap. Sako, na you dey clap. But this life no balance o. This Nigeria don scatter. Nobody fit tell me say Nigeria no get stepmother. First way born Nigeria marry another woman. Na im dey worry us. A country that cannot control its petrol. Nigeria wey get mental problem. If this country no get mental problem, why be say na only this country na im beauty queens dey suck the cap to hear the crown? Na so na wisdom I go dey drop small. You don't bring her down, not to worry. You don't say nobody take for London. I go London, I not take all the time when they do show for London. Nobody they stay for London. Nobody. London is a very boring country. You just go London through 1 week. You don't see anybody fight anybody. What is life? You reach, hold up. Nobody they blow horn. What is driving without pam? Nobody they would they peace. They even they tell me say I don't feel peace for tire. What it be like without say you know peace for tire? Do you know what that they deprive you say you know peace for tire? You know what it means say you don't high. You can't carry your distance, say you want to go peace. You call the peace for your tire. If the peace won't come sweet, your friend will come follow you. 12 now call the peace. And no discussion, sweet part. Now they call the tell you that deep secret. Call 12 now don't drink. As the peace, me go you look my guy. I'll say advice, I go say, I'll say, oh boy, no be better wife I marry you. Advice, I'll come look me. You say, oh boy, now will be say you already tell me your own. You know, say that my first son, no be my own. Big that. Don't be sure fool so. Everywhere shut down. This life now, pray, my brother. One my daughter too old. You know, see husband marry, you go open boutique, you call the same me clothes. So that if you select one for me customer. Bring her down, don't mama, bring her. I'm not tired. I just run a sharp. Then they talk about pastor, okay, just now. You know why you just they preach for this side? You don't come in this side. Now, beneath the see church, opposite church, the two speakers so called they disturb each other. If they would they dance to the other church, praise and worship. Now, pastor go say, my friend, see that is not our choir. Beneath when one pastor they preach, another pastor they reply. That one said the Lord will lead you. Say, shut up there, you. There are two churches opposite each other. Oh, my church is full Benin. Every year for Benin. Benin will go to do show. People will go to hold it. They'll say why you don't put their logo. Bring her down. Oh, wait. Now, hold on. We're not job for this part of the world, though. See as every year go. If you reach Benin, every year heat, hot sun, heat. The kind heat where they believe that no artist don't fit drop any heat because I don't hit the rain. All the artists need to wait till rainy season to rain again. Now they throw money here. Wow, say they throw money in a gentle way. Now beneath I go throw you money, they'll throw Beret Jenna. The person tells they call John our court without money. I don't enjoy it. I've been where they beat for the Christmas. Say why go the year red cap, the banner go right. Say the guy they form end of the year curtis. Let me one guy. They say skin no full, no full body. One fat guy can go carry girl, say skin full. He reach as na full body small. Now the guy called the shot come up body job. M.O.P. you wear beret for poster. It say they know they use this one. Me wear me color now they beat me. They say now they are branch for Kenya. You know see that guy they throw money. Every video they do like this. Ask bros Akpororo now. He don't recover recently. How do I hear they shout? Not be last week he go perform for Opa. As they do wow. Now I want to do my audio like this. The real Chris joint body. You know to the way they cure am. Anyway, comedian dey crack joke, person wey come waka me too. Alpha. Tell DJ me play music, man wan dance. Alright. No stone me like that, I can fit beat you. No? You want throw my be contest. This full trouser and a beret. This life, I'm brave, no, my brother. Listen to me. Oh. You dey pray, may God give you children where you get bright future. You want sleep with your wife in the off light. Don't be so. All these Nigerian guys. VIP, I be irregular. God will bless now. Big shout out. Now they make sure tough. Oh. No sound that they laugh. No my state now person go perform. If they mistakenly buy your table, they will call who your hand be come the show. Any artist will perform, they will mark them. They'll say Akpororo perform. I can what of I don't perform before I can say yes, you mark them. One guy do show, all the artists perform, they still call the guy we do show, they say Alpha, show. Now the guy say, what of this last guy will never perform? Now the guy say, which guy? This guy wey they call and many more. Hold on, now the guy say, and many more no be artists now, bro. Say the Chris. You think say we no get sense? No be this and many more, no be the sick, many more, many more. If you reach time, tell me, you don't have to talk from now till tomorrow. Guys now, all these guys now, waiting they read for Nana now, brandless society, brandless. Man of God, there, I know I just respect man of God. Brandless society, brandless. Una person papa will come still die, una will come still call the burial, una still wear polo, una no wear bra inside. People want us to be money and be honey at the same time. Brandless society. iPhone will come now. Hello, sir, bro. Hello, bro. At the crack joke. You listen, See your head. You don't see your head. Cameraman video, I make sure your head.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.